Common primrose, Primula vulgaris, is a delightful and popular perennial flower known for its vibrant colors and early spring blooms. If you're looking to add a touch of beauty to your garden, learning how to plant and grow common primrose is a wonderful choice. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to successfully cultivate these charming flowers and enjoy their stunning display year after year. Choosing the right location. Select a location with well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Avoid areas that are prone to waterlogging or receive excessive direct sunlight, as this can cause stress to the plants. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to ensure good root penetration. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil fertility and moisture retention. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH level, around 6.0 to 7.0 for optimal growth. Planting common primrose. Common primrose can be planted either in the spring or fall. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Place the primrose in the hole, making sure the crown is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the plant. Space the primroses about 6 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety, to allow for their mature size. Watering and moisture. After planting, water the primroses thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. Maintain even moisture throughout the growing season, especially during dry periods. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Consider using a layer of organic mulch, like shredded bark or compost, around the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Care and maintenance. Common primrose is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but a few simple care practices can ensure its health and longevity. Regularly remove spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering and prevent seed formation. Dividing the plants every 2 to 3 years in early spring can help maintain their vigor. Apply a balanced organic fertilizer in early spring and again in early fall to provide essential nutrients. Dealing with pests and diseases. While common primrose is generally resistant to most pests and diseases, occasional issues may arise. Keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids and slugs. Use organic pest control methods, such as handpicking or applying environmentally friendly insecticides if necessary. Good air circulation and proper watering practices can help prevent fungal diseases, such as powdery mildew. Enjoying the blooms. With proper care, common primrose will reward you with its beautiful blooms in early spring. These flowers come in a wide range of colors, including yellow, pink, purple, and white. Enjoy their vibrant display in your garden beds, borders, or containers. Common primrose can also make excellent cut flowers, bringing their charm indoors. Planting and growing common primrose can be a rewarding experience for gardeners of all levels. By selecting the right location, preparing the soil, providing adequate water and care, and addressing any potential pests or diseases, you can cultivate these lovely flowers successfully. Embrace the beauty of common primrose in your garden and delight in its vibrant blooms year after year.